Massachusetts on the Chicopee Canal tour, and we're in a park. And you might ask why a park is important to a canal tour. This is the end of the tour, and the reason why we talk about this is because this was part of the design of the canal makers to make a new village for all the people that would be associated with the canal, the mill workers, the canal diggers, the middle class people that would be in this neighborhood. The Chicopee Center Canal was dug in 1832 in a few months, but John Chase, the designer wanted to make a complete village for all his workers, with stores, with housing, with everything complete that they would have needed. And by having a park too, then you're sure to have a complete village. Now in here there was also a school. The Capitol School was where the playground area was. It jutted from the side street into the park. And you can see around here is a lot of villages, a lot of homes. And so what we're going to talk about is this park first of all. The park, its original name was the Capitol Commons, and then the homes were built around it as residential homes for people that were working in the mills itself. The first one ever built was the yellow one that you see in the distance. It has now aluminum siding on it. It doesn't look very old, but it's from 1855, I believe. And this whole area is from homes from about 1855 to 1865. So many of them are 170 years old, and it doesn't seem that because they've been repaired along the way. Now, the park itself has been renamed from Capitol Commons to Lucy Wisniowski Park, and she was the first woman city councilor in the history of Holyoke, and that was so important that they renamed the park after her. Now, around here are many homes, and it's maintained as a beautiful park. So we want to finish off with talking about John Chase. John Chase, the designer of the Capitol Canal, really wanted everything around here to be for the workers. So that right off these streets towards the north, there's worker housing that we just passed through as one of our stops. And it very much is similar to things that he would make in the future after that, because he would reuse his designs on other projects he ran, including the Holyoke Canal. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sweep around this area slowly to get you to see all the buildings around.